Welcome back to IBSS Aero YouTube channel. Myself, Dr. K. Balaji, Assistant Professor, Department of Aeronautical Engineering, Sanjay Godavat University, Maharashtra. In this video, we are going to learn about drone pilot license informations. So, how we can get the pilot license and what is the eligibility criteria, what is the fee structure. So, like lot of informations we are going to learn from this video. Outcome of the presentation is drone pilot license and student remote pilot license, remote pilot license, eligibility criteria, fee structure, and DGCA approved flying training organization. These all are the topics today we are going to discuss. First one is that drone pilot license. If you want to fly nano drones and micro drones for non-commercial usage means you no need to get the pilot license. So if you are referring my previous videos means you will come to know what is meant by nano drone and micro drone. Suppose if you want to operate any other type of drone except that categories means you have to get a drone pilot license which should be approved from the Directorate General of Civil Aviation, that means that DGCA. As per the notified rules, all drone training and examinations will be carried out by an authorized drone school. Nowadays, lot of private drone training schools are there, but if you are getting from the DGCA approved schools means it would be better. And DGCA shall prescribe training requirements and oversee drone schools and provide pilot license online. So these are the facilities are available. So in that, first one is that student remote pilot license. Student license remains valid for a maximum period of 5 years and can be renewed for an additional period of 2 years. That is the validity of students' remote pilot license. What is meant by student remote pilot license is it's like if we are going to apply for the license. At the beginning period, they will give LLR, learner license. So same like that, if you are going to get a drone pilot license means beginning you will get the student remote pilot license. With this student remote pilot license, you can get a training in the flying school. Once you are okay with that drone, you can go for a pilot license. So if you want to get a training on that specific drone in that drone flying school means you should get a student remote pilot license. Next is that remote pilot license. Remote pilot license means once you got the student remote pilot license, then you got enough amount of training, then you can go for a remote pilot license. It's like a complete drone license. It is issued by the DGCA based on the submission of a certificate of training and a skill test report from an authorized training organization. So once you are familiarized with that drone operations means that drone flying school will conduct the test about your flying. Once if you are eligible means they will send your documents to the DGCA. So DGCA will issue the remote pilot license. So that license is valid for 10 years and it can be renewed for another 10 years with each renewal applications. So beginning whatever license they are issuing, that is valid for 10 years. So every 10 years you can renew it. Next is that eligibility. So eligibility criteria is 18 years. It's compulsory. Minimum age limit is 18 years and the maximum age limit is 65 years. So that is the age limit for to get the drone pilot license. and you should have the 10th pass certificate for joining any training institute. Along with that, you should have the medical examinations that should be cleared. If you are having any medical issues or anything, means DGCA will not give the drone pilot license. Plus, background verifications they will do by some government agencies. If you don't have any issues, they will allow you to apply for the drone pilot license. The educational qualification is 10th pass and the age limit is 18 years to 65 years. Along with that, your medical examinations you should be clear, plus background verifications also will happen. So this is the eligibility criteria to get the drone pilot license. Next is that duration of training. Duration of training is, it will be varies according to the types of drone you want to operate. If you want to operate very small size drone, means it will take very few days, minimum 1 week. It's like 5 to 7 days. Suppose if you want to fly some heavy drone, so in that cases it will have certain conditions, so it may take maybe more than 1 week time period. So normally if you want to operate the drones, means if you want to learn about the drone, means 5 to 7 days it will take. That is the minimum period. Next is that fees. That fees for that drone pilot license, it will be very depend on the institute where you are studying. Generally it will start from 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees, depend on the course or depend on the drone you are going to fly or depend on the institute where you are studying. According to that, drone pilot license amount will be varied from 30,000 to 1 lakh rupees. Next, additional skill what you need. That means in the flying club, once you joined, means with your 10th qualification certificate, you will learn about some technical knowledge about avionics. Avionics means that electronics items used in drone related activities, and weather, what is the climate, how we can operate according to the climate and the wind speed and other mechanisms you have to learn from this drone pilot school. Next is scope. Scope in my previous videos also I discussed. So once again repeat that slide. So Association of Unmanned Vehicle System International, they predicted 1 lakh new jobs are going to come by the year of 2025. So it will create a huge amount of job opportunity, wide span of industries. So if you are getting the license, means you will have the good futures. Next, DGCA approved flying training organization. So total number of flying school, that means DGCA, Directorate General of Civil Aviation's approved flying school is 9, which is located in 5 different states. So first one is that Jharkhand, they are having one drone pilot training school. Uttar Pradesh, three pilot training school. Telangana, two pilot training school. Maharashtra, two pilot training school. Tamil Nadu, one pilot training school. That means DGC approved flying school. So in terms of percentage, if you are saying, means Uttar Pradesh is having 34 percentage of drone flying school. That means three flying school they are having. Next, Maharashtra and Telangana, they are having 22 percentage. That means each 22 percentage they are having. That means two flying school they are having. Tamil Nadu and Jharkhand, they are having one flying school. That is a 11 percentage. So what are the flying school names? In Jharkhand, Alchemist Aviation Private Limited. That flying club is having that drone pilot license courses. Then next is that Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh, three flying schools are there. One is Ambition Flying Club Private Limited. Next is that Indira Gandhi Rashtriya Udan Academy and Pioneer Flying Academy Private Limited. These three flying school they are having the drone pilot courses. And in Telangana Flytech Aviation Academy and Telangana State Aviation Academy, these two flying club they are having the drone pilot license courses. And in Maharashtra, Redbird Flight Training Academy Private Limited and the Bombay Flying Club. So these two schools, flying school, they are having the drone pilot license courses. And in Tamil Nadu, CA Anna University, they are having the drone pilot license school. So these are the DGCA approved flying school. So from this video, I hope you got small knowledge about that what is a drone pilot license, how you can get it, and what is the eligibility. Everything you might be learned. So as usual, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam sir golden word. I will conclude my session. Mistake increases your experience, and experience decreases your mistakes. If you learn from your mistakes, then others learn from your success. So, thank you, one and all, listened my video. So, please share my video and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you, one and all present in this video. Thank you.